Well, hi everybody, this is Dr. Dustin, and I'm here in my office at my house, and this is where I spend a lot of time reading articles, reading books, and trying to just keep educated about what's truly going on in our country right now. And I just read a few articles on Mercola.com that are very disturbing to me, and I wanted to share those with you. That one of those, talking about Fosamax, and there's so many prescription drugs out there these days, and there's so many different adverse drug reactions that are happening every single day, and these things are causing devastation to people's lives. And Fosamax now coming out showing that it causes jaw necrosis and an increase in cancer. So this is again a drug that your medical doctor may have put you on to try and cure some type of disease process, but it's showing that it itself is causing a disease process. It's causing cancer inside of the body. It's causing literally the bones of your face, the jaw, to start rotting, just like a rotten tooth. So you see, this is so important because this is where you have to understand the difference between a medical model of thinking, which is outside in, and a chiropractic maximized living model of thinking, which is above down and inside out. Now, God created your body to heal and to heal to its optimal level, but it can only do that when your life, when your nervous system is controlling every single cell and communicating at all times. Because if your brain cannot get the message to your heart, what happens to your heart? It dies. It dies immediately. It doesn't matter if you have good blood supply, if you have a good blood pressure, good pulse. If the nervous system, the nerve signal, the life-giving message does not get to that heart, it does not live, and neither do you. So this month, you may have, I don't think you may have, you definitely have friends, you have family, you have people you work with who haven't heard this message, who are still living in an outside-in medical model of thinking. And they may be even on Fosamax. They may be on 10 different other medications that are causing things like an increase in diabetes or an increase in heart disease, or allowing them not to reach their God-given potential. So you have a chance today to help save someone's life. And we're dedicated to helping you help others inside of our office. So for the entire month of January, to make this easier for you, we're doing our second annual coat drive at the office. What this means is that any friends that you have, they can bring in a new or gently used coat in exchange for my entire new patient exam, consultation, x-rays if they're necessary, nerve scans, and a life-changing doctor's report to explain everything to them in detail of how to reach the highest health they could ever imagine in their life, and how we can make that happen for them in our office. So this is for the entire month of January. This is all leading up again to our next power workshop, which is the first on the essential number 1, toxicity reduction. That's going to be February 9th at 6:30 at the office. Again, you can get more information about this at yourlivingwellchiro.com or at yourlivingwellchiro.blogspot.com.